Did you know that millions of people are unknowingly putting their souls at risk every single day? Are you truly safe? Or are you slowly heading toward a dangerous fate without realizing it? Life gives us warning signs, but do we recognize them? Many ignore spiritual warnings only to regret it later. In this video, we'll uncover how to protect yourself from unseen dangers. Our world is filled with distractions, negative influences, addictions, toxic relationships, and social pressures, all pulling us away from what truly matters. Think deeply. Are you on the right path? Or are you unknowingly walking toward destruction? There are countless real-life stories of people who ignored the signs and paid the price. Some realized their mistake when it was too late. Will you make the same mistake? Or will you wake up before disaster strikes? Here's the hard truth. If you don't take action now, you may face a point of no return. Do you want to reach a moment where regret is the only thing left? This could be your last warning. Listen before it's too late. You only have one life, one soul. Don't take it for granted. If you ignore this message today, tomorrow may hold nothing but regret. Protect yourself now. Have you ever had a moment where you thought, if only I had realized this sooner? Share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more eye-opening insights. Take action today, before it's too late.